Hey guys, welcome back to YUZU. I am your host Javon, and today we're up with a brand new benchmark. Today we're trying out F.I.S.T, Forza Shadow Torch for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and as you can see, the only setting I have changed is I've changed it from Vulkan to OpenGL, because with Vulkan the game crashes. You know me, simply testing out games on the Switch emulator simply because it came out. That's literally what I do here. I think the audio doesn't work for the OpenGL version either. I do remember it was working for Vulkan. It could be just me though. Let me make sure. So as you know, I test things on the channel. I basically test and say, hey, can I run it? Can I run it? Will it run? I don't know. Do you know? It's weird stuff like this, man, that I just decided to test on the channel. Whenever a new game drops, especially, it's like, hey, this just dropped. I know it's on PC, but I want to have a backlog for all emulated games because people do. Oh no, I can actually hear this. Can I not hear this? Yeah, it's just the audio is really low. That's weird. I can hear it though. The audio is just low, which is. Oh, maybe it's because of a previous video I had that I dropped the audio. I mean, that wasn't it, but okay. Close enough. So the cutscenes work. That's nice. Does the gameplay work? Now, I do remember playing this game, and I do remember it had a lot of stutters in it. Obviously, as you can see, there's a lot of artifacting, a lot of stuff isn't rendering correctly, and we are using OpenGL. I think it was doing this with Vulkan as well until it crashed.
Haven't seen you for a while.
OpenGL isn't great, so with AMD especially, so expect pain. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I got a bunch of content coming out today. We're using 9.5 gigabytes of RAM to play the game. Hey, this is a cinematic. This don't count. It surprises me every time the amount of RAM YUZU takes up for a game. Like, I don't even think the game ran at this. I could be wrong though.
This machine still works.
It's been a while. My GPU is at 48%. My GPU and CPU are chilling. It's just the RAM usage is kind of insane. I'm also trying to be careful in case you guys wonder. I'm having issues with my headset. It has like a shortage all of a sudden, so it's kind of messing with me. If I tilt my head too much, it may. So you might hear some crackling or my audio might cut out. So I'm really trying to protect that from happening. But yeah, it's not great right now. Not great here at YUZU. You're having some issues. We really are. Which is why the content has been a bit slow lately. But yeah, I just wanted to put that out there before the game starts. Like I said, this is on PC, but some GPUs don't run this game, so this may be your best bet at running it. Actually, this has purpose now that I think about it.
This is Old Town. Torch Tower is to the northeast.
And it is running. No, it's actually doing quite well. This is shocking to me. I didn't expect this type of performance.
You dare wander about during curfew, buddy? Get him!
But anyway, I'm just gonna mute myself now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, the game is running. Even with the graphical glitches, it still manages to run quite well. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the gameplay.
Why do we have to guard this broken transformer? And why aren't we allowed to recharge? They say some dumbass bear hacked our system. All transformers in the city are now out of order. Didn't they catch that dumbass bear? If they stayed that way, I am going to run out of power. Then shut up. That'll save some power.
Transformers. What did Urso get up to? Missing map data. Looks like the tracking function is still offline. Rayton to Urso. Rayton... I need to get to Torch Tower right away.